afternoon this time. It's Mark Weiss. You are undoubtedly familiar with the term FOMO, fear of missing out, where people are terrified that unless they expand and do this and that, they will miss out on some fantastic opportunity. However, the opposite problem, what I would call fear of branching out, impacts many medical group leaders. Let me give you an example. Pick a avatar, a leader of a anesthesia group at Hospital X. We'll call it Community Memorial St. Mark's. Let's say there's a cohort of 70 anesthesiologists, maybe CRNAs. They're providing services at the hospital pursuant to an exclusive contract. They've been doing it for 15 years, and another opportunity comes up 5 miles away. The group's leader, let's say it's a strong leader set up, or even a management committee set up. Do they pursue that opportunity at the other hospital? No, they don't, because after all, we have to show we're dedicated to Community Memorial St. Mark's. What if the hospital finds out we're working someplace else? What if we can't manage both facilities? Well, these days, having a contractual relationship with one facility only is a sign of tremendous weakness that is being signaled by a group to the facility. The signal of weakness is that the hospital knows darn well that if you don't enter into the renewal exclusive contract, there is no other reason for your group to exist. Now think about that. You're negotiating with someone on the other side. Now you're in the position of power, and you know that if they don't have that deal, they're screwed. It could be a restaurant with one location, a renewal of the lease. It could be, how about this one, an imaging facility with MRIs. It would cost who knows what, but it's a prohibitive amount to move the machines. And you're asking for high rent. The same thing happens to you in reverse. If you're a medical group leader and the hospital knows that they have you over a barrel, they make a proposal to you that's disadvantageous for you, but they know that if you don't accept it, then the group pulls the plug. Now, I've represented clients in the past who have pulled the plug. They stupidly didn't branch out, didn't go and cover many facilities, didn't spread the risk of loss of a contract over the course of many facilities. And they've walked. But most groups won't walk. Most groups cave. Don't put yourself in the position of having to cave simply to preserve whatever vestige of business remains. Build your negotiating strength and do it through building your options. Think about it. The more options you have, well, the more options you have.